Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm happy that you are here today and we are going to be learning the 10 best way you can make money online just by typing. Guys, if you just want to make money online by typing, then this video is for you. So guys, do you still believe that you can make money online? That is a very big question that I'm asking you today. Do you believe that you can make money online? If you believe, comment below and just write I can make money online. Just put hashtag I can make money online if you believe that you can make money online. So there are a lot of ways that we can make money online. It's not only by typing, but there are a lot of ways that you can make money online in which you can see most of the ways that I've stipulated or the ways I've already listed below this video. You can see that the description box, what I've written there, you see thousands of ways that you can make money online. But today in this video, as I said before, we're going to be looking at what the 10 best way you can make money online just by typing. So I will start from the 10th one because the first one is the best one. So you need to stay from the beginning to the end in order for you to get for the number one, because the number one is the best that you need if you want to make money online just by typing. So let's start from this one. Let's say blogging. Do you know that you can make money online just by writing blog posts, just by typing blog posts for other people as a guest post, or just typing for people? You can go to something like Fiverr. You see thousands of dollars that people make daily just by typing. You see Upwork, go to people per hour, go to normal people are typing just once they type for someone 1,000 words, you'll be paid $50. Just imagine you are able to type for 3 people in a day, 5 people in a day, or 20 people in a day. Just times $50 times how many people that you are typing for. That is thousands of money that people make by typing. That is blogging. People type for bloggers and they pay them. Then the next one is what? Newsletter. Just writing newsletter. Maybe someone now want to send up bulk emails to the subscribers. And the good thing about this newsletter writing is just that you yourself, once the person can write up to 5 or 6 newsletter. That means you are making money in a cumulative way. You make money from the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, the fifth one. So someone will pay you just to write a newsletter for him, because he's going to send it out to the subscribers, to the followers, and to people that are going to the people that are already in his profile or maybe in his website or his blog page. So guys, you can make money online just by doing this. And the good news is what this things I'm going to share with you now, we tell you the tool that you can use to do this. If you don't know how to do it, don't bother yourself. I will give you a tool that can help you to do that. That is the bonus of this video. So stay with me in this video to the end, because I'm going to show you what a bonus of the tool is a software, an AI software that can help you to do this at the comfort of your home. You don't need to know how to do this. You can do it using the AI too. So the third one is what? Social media copywriter. You can become a social media copywriter. You can write social media copy for people. Like now, someone want to post about maybe how to make money online, the best weight loss product to use. You can become the person that can write it for them. Become the social media writer. Once they see that you are good in this, my brother, my sister, you become the perfect person that will be using for every of their social media posts. So the most important thing is for you to find yourself doing it. Once you are able to do it in a perfect way, they will always call you for that. Then the fourth one is what? Ad copy. You can write ad copy for people. You write it for them. If they want to post an ad, you write it. Just ad is just a story. As I said before, I will give you a tool that can help you to do all these things. A tool that can, a software, AI software, artificial intelligence software that can give you everything that you need. So the fifth one is what? Landing page copyright. So you can also do what? Write a landing page copy for people. In the sense that landing page copy is not even big. Sometimes it's just 100 words. Then you write it for people and get paid. You can get up to $50, $100, $200 just by writing this landing page copy. And the good part of this landing page copy is that the more attractive it becomes, the more people are able to make sales from it. Then if they make sales from that one that you write, they will also call you for the next one. So if you are good in this, you will also make money for yourself. And remember, I will give you the tool that can help you to do it. Then the sixth one is email marketing. Email marketing copy. People are sending email just like newsletter. People are sending box of email to thousands of their subscribers every day. You can become that person that will help them to write this. You can go to freelancing websites and see thousands of people making money with this. You yourself, you can do this. And I already told you that I can help you to show you the tool that you can use to do this. So the seventh one is script writing. You can write scripts for producers, for actors, for movie directors, and for anyone that needs video scripts. You can become the script writer today and start making. Search online. People are doing this, my brother, my sister. You yourself, you can do it. You can do it. So the eighth one is proofreading and editing. This one is very good. I love this one also. Proofreading. What you all just do is just once somebody finish writing, you help the person do the correction, edit the work, then give them back their work. I know Grammarly is very important in this aspect. You can do this with a software called Grammarly. Just do what? Copy those things and put in that software. It will give you the corrections. Copy the corrections, the corrected ones, and send back to the person and get your money for yourself. So it's very easy for you to do. This thing is not what you need to even spend thousands of hours. You need to spend hours doing. This thing is just what you need. Within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you are done with this and you submit your work and get paid. Then the ninth one is what? Podcast transcription. So you transcribe what has been done on a podcast. Some podcasts, they like putting their videos that they have already done, maybe in a written form, maybe in form of blog post. So you help them to transcribe those words into what? Into a blog post or into an article. So once someone finishes a podcast, you help them to transcribe it from that podcast it is to a written word. That's the only thing that you do. Then the last but not the least, as I said before, that's the best that you can ever do is what? Translator. Guys, translation is one of the best that you can ever do online these days. Thousands of companies are looking for people that will transcribe from one word to another for them. You might be in Japanese, you might be in Asia, you might be in Europe, you might be in Africa, but you can do this with the help of Google Translator. All you need to do is just collect those words. If they want it in China, collect the words in English, put it on Google Translator. It will transcribe it for you in Chinese. Then you give it to your customer and they pay you. They'll pay you. So as I said before, you see a link below the video. That is, you see the AI tool that you can use to do all these things. It's at the link below the video. So click on it now. Get started for free. It's free. It's free. But they have the paid one. After 7 weeks, you can use it for 7 weeks. Then you get the paid one after that 7 weeks. So you can use it, start making money. Within the 7 weeks, you have made some money for yourself. Then you can upgrade. Then if you want to upgrade, there's a coupon code that you can use to upgrade for 20% discount. So guys, I hope you have been able to know the 10 best ways that you can do what? You can make money online by typing. I said the first one is what? Blogging. The second one is newsletter. The third one is social media copyright. Then the fourth one is ad copy. The fifth one is landing page copy. The sixth one is email marketing copy. The seventh one is script writing copy. Then the eighth one is proofreading and editing. Then the ninth one is both podcast transcription. Then the 10th one is translator. Guys, I really love you and I wish that you have been able to assimilate all that we have said here in this video and know that Odysee Junior loves you. Continue winning till we meet again. Bye.